Today we're going to be looking at a very special Jaeger-LeCoultre, or better known as JLC. This watch is part of the Navy SEALs collaboration in the Master Compressor series, and here we have the special edition which is known as the Incursion edition, specifically produced for only the Beverly Hills boutique. So first off, we're going to look at the case, presentation box. It's actually made by Pelican, and you'll see that it says JLC over here. It's watertight, crush proof, and it's dust proof. And if you look at this, you'll notice that there's actually an automatic pressure equalization valve, and it's O-ring sealed all around. So now we're going to open up the box. And here's the actual watch inside. Here we have the Navy SEAL alarm. Here we have one of the commemorative coins on the back side with some Navy SEALs engraving. So we're going to put that back. And finally we have a JLC Surefire 6P. It's a tactical LED illuminator. Extremely bright. So we're going to pull the JLC watch out here. Let's put the box away. So here we have the actual watch itself. It's a 44mm case with the top crown for operating the mechanical alarm and the bottom crown for actually operating the time. There are twin barrels, so the top one you have to wind for the power for the alarm. The second one you can either wind mechanically, by hand, or just simply use the watch because it is an automatic movement. Right now we're not using the original band. This is a JLC band though. This one is black leather with black stitches. The original actually has yellow, which I can show you right now. Right here. Very similar, with the exception that this is using a type of nylon webbing, and this is actually a rubber grip. You can see that the liner here is yellow leather, and this one is more of a black suede. So back to the watch. It's a 44mm case crafted out of grade 5 titanium, and it's coated with black PVD, or you can call it DLC as well, diamond-like coating. Here you can see the Navy SEALs engraving, and this emblem right here is a 1,000 hours symbol. Represents that the fact that this manufacture movement has undergone the 1,000 hour test. That's approximately 41 or 42 days for those of you that are wondering. This bezel is black ceramic, 60 clicks all around, very solid. The lume on here is actually Super Luminova. It's a little bit brighter than the standard Navy SEAL alarms. And the inner disc actually is the alarm disc. So to operate the compressor key, you actually turn it this way, and then you pull out the crown, and when I turn it down you can actually see the inner titanium disc rotating, which allows you to set the time for which the alarm can go off. If you rotate up, it actually changes the date. So now we're going to put that back, and you rotate the key back, and now you have 300 meters water resistance. The case is very light, and it wears pretty well compared to most 44mm watches. You'll notice that I have also a Panerai base logo here. It actually appears a little bit larger simply because the bezel is much narrower. This watch is limited to 62 pieces. The 62 representing the year in 1962 when the Navy SEALs were originally founded. The watch, again, it wears very well. The movement is amazing. It's all in-house because it's JLC. They basically design and produce everything in-house. Ceramic bearings actually allow the watch to require almost no maintenance because there's no grease involved, and the movement is the JLC 956 movement. Very, very beautiful watch. Very light. Alright, so that is it. Thanks for watching.